Let us see what and how is the stock market. Today, as you see here, the BSE Sensex is Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex is 52,306 rupees and it is in a loss of minus 282.63. That is only when we see per one day. And here the previous open was at 52,912 and previous close was 52,588 and today's high was at 52,912. You can see clearly this is the high point 52,912. What the news says about today's Sensex is Sensex ends 283 points lower. Adani Ports and Wipro among top Nifty losses. Indian share markets witnessed volatile trading activity throughout the day today and ended lower. Benchmark indices erased early gains and turned negative after global credit rating company slashed 2021 growth forecast to 9.6% from 13.9% earlier. After accounting for the impact of the deadly second COVID wave in April to May. At the closing bell, the BSE Sensex stood lower by 283 points, that is down by we can see here 0.54%. Meanwhile, the NSE Nifty closed lower by 86 points, that is 0.5%. Titan and Maruti Suzuki were among the top gainers today. Adani Ports and Wipro, on the other hand, were among the top losers today. The SGX Nifty was trading at 15,699 down by 72 points at the same right. Let us see my strategies. In the previous day, we have a news that Bharati Airtel Limited and TCS Tata Consultancy Services are going to be collaborated for 5G network. So what I thought is as they both are collaborating, Bharati Airtel Limited is going to have gains and profits. But as I see in the morning, the opening was 538 and the high is 539.20, just around 1 rupee 20 pice, and the low was 532.70. By this, what did you understand? The Bharati Airtel did not give profits to the investors. They gave a loss. See, previous close was what is the previous close? 536.40 rupees. What is the 52-week high is just 623 rupees and 52-week low is around 394 rupees. So when you try to invest into a company, you need to think of once, twice, and thrice. You need to have technical analysis as well as fundamental analysis. These both help you to gain more knowledge about the company, and then you are step ahead to invest in the stock market. Next, let us see another company, Reliance Power Limited. See, this is a 5-day chart. Okay, this is a 5-day chart. Why I am showing you the 5-day chart is this Reliance Power Limited is on profits from 1 year. So let us take 5 days chart for a clean and cut clarity. See, in the 5-day chart, the opening was at 18.25 rupees. What is the high? 18.25 itself. And what is the low? 16.25. And previous close was 17.40. As you see, since the past 5 days, the profit is plus 1.45, that is approximately 9.60%. You can see the gradual increase and low decrease of the line here. This gradual increase of these line indicates that the Reliance Power Limited is in profits till 5 days. This is just only the chart of 5 days, but Reliance Power Limited is in profit since 1 year. If you have a doubt, chalo, let's check. You can check. Not let's check. You can check once. Google it. You'll get the clarity. See what I told you. Reliance Power Limited is giving profits to the investors since 1 year. The previous slide, you also have seen that if we take 5 days chart, it given more number of profits to the investors. When it comes to today, that is on June 23, the Reliance Power Limited is on loss, that is minus 0.85. 4.89% is loss. Why Reliance Power Limited is on loss on June 23rd? This is the familiar question in all minds. Why do you think so? Why do you think so? Reliance Power Limited got loss? Because the main reason for this is employee and interest expense. Employee and interest expense. So that Reliance Power Limited has got these loss today. And it is running at 16.55 NR with a loss of minus 0.85. Next, this is Vodafone Group. Vodafone Group Public Limited Company. We all are using Vodafone SIMs. See, and what is the open? 130.60 at morning. What is the highest value? 132.04. What is the lowest value? 130.40. Suppose let's think of a buyer here. If a buyer buys at 130.40 and if a buyer sells at 132.04, which is the highest of the day, then he is profited with 2 rupees. Then he is profited with 2 rupees. So what is Vodafone Group? What according to Vodafone Group Public Limited Company is today is on June 23rd is it is on profits plus 1.55, that is 1.19% today. It is bearish. Next, tomorrow, that is June 24th, analysis and prediction. I have taken this is only based on my strategy. If you want to invest, you can invest or you need not invest. This is totally based according to my strategy and my deep dive into these two companies. So let us see what are my two companies tomorrow I am going to invest. That is on June 24th. See, the first company I took is Infosys Private Limited. Why did I took this? I need to give you a clarity. So to invest into this, first I went into a website called moneycontrol.com. www.moneycontrol.com. I deep dive into that website about Infosys Limited, and from the past 1 month it is in the profits. So what I did is I took a 5-day chart, and the 5-day chart opening was 1522 was the opening, and what was the least? The 1498. So what I thought and tomorrow I am investing is, as from 5 days, see this, the profit is plus 24.10. It is not a small thing. It is not a small thing for a small investor. Hope so. Plus 24.10, that is 1.63% with profits. This flowchart is up to 23rd June, that is today 3:30 p.m. So what are my predictions is, I'm going to buy above 1513 1513 rupees. I'll try up to 1519 or 1524. My tries are these two. I'm going to sell these stocks at 1508. This is my buy. And what about sell? I am going to sell below 1509. I'm going to try up to 4. This is what I may do. This is according to my strategy. If I am going to suggest that is for buyer, this is for buyer, and this is for seller. What I'm going to suggest for seller is you can sell below 1509 rupees and try up to 1497, and at last you can sell it at 1516 rupees. This is about Infosys. Next, what is my next analysis? Mahindra and Mahindra, M&M Limited. This stock rupees is 783 INR. This is the today's chart, and it was opened at the price of 781 rupees, and the highest is 786 rupees. For a buyer who bought the shares of 781 rupees, and when he sold his shares at 786 rupees, he was with a profit of 5 rupees, and the low was 775. So when you see this, there are so many ups and downs, but this is the chart of only one day, and the profit is plus 7.80 of just only today. See, this is 23rd June, one day, 1.01% today. So my suggestion of tomorrow, that is June 24th, is for buyers, try up to 789 rupees and sell them at 779 rupees. For sellers, try up to 773 rupees and sell at 783 rupees. Hope my suggestion, this is only based on my strategy, and these are only my suggestions. You need not approve this. If you can, you can, or you cannot, you cannot. Just leave. Thank you. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.